In the realm where thoughts converge, beyond the divide of here and there, we find the dance of non-duality, a spectacle of magic, unbound and free. Witness the weave of the world's fabric, threads of essence seamless, no static, where love isn't just a mere tactic, but the very beat of life, classic yet dramatic. Magic in the mundane, hidden but true, and an enigma in the simple, in the do. What's inside is outside, the old and the new. In the mirror of the world, I see me, I see you. Reality's a rhythm, we all to it groove. Consciousness, the DJ, always on the move. Spinning discs of duality where nothing's to prove. In the club of existence, every moment we improve. Snap back to the beat of the infinite. Reality's a mixtape, let's get intimate. Consciousness vibes, we're all intrinsic in it. Love's the magic, undivided, infinite. Flow through dimensions where minds intertwine. Non-dual in nature, beyond the divine. A spectacle where stars and souls align. This cosmic freestyle uniquely designed. Here in the silent beats of the cosmos, where love binds every quantum and close. Magic isn't found nor is it lost in the vastness of oneness, no lines to cross. So let's break the illusion, embrace the fusion of heart, of mind in this grand fusion. Non-duality, the ultimate conclusion, where magic meets love beyond all confusion. Life's not a duel, it's a duet, we resonate. Echoes of the infinite in every debate. Mysteries unfold in the silent wait, where magic and love dictate the ultimate fate. Through the veil of separation we peer, finding connection both far and near. The illusion dissolves, everything is quite clear. In the heart of non-duality, love is the seer. Step into the realm where shadows play, light and dark in their eternal ballet. Consciousness, the canvas, life, the clay. In the gallery of existence we all sway. Cast off the chains of the mind's own making. Reality's not just taken, it's also shaping. Consciousness grasps with each breath we're taking. Love's the rule and the law of the awakening. Ride the wave of the cosmos' heart, where ends are starts and false truths depart. In this magical expanse we all have a part, playing the game of life with love as our art. As we transcend the echo of our song, finding harmony where all things belong. Magic is the truth, steadfast and strong. In the embrace of non-duality, nothing's wrong. Flow with me through the cosmic scene, where love and magic are the supreme. No dual thoughts, just a singular dream. In this universe, we're all on the same team.